Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to install some nylon fuel lines. Now normally they would be like the 5/16 or the 3/8. I was doing some reviews. Now in my case, obviously I got the most smallest one in the world. Working on a 2013 Camry, and basically for the fuel pump, this is the way how they'll sell it. And then from this guy to right here, the one that the pump that they gave me is way too short, so it can't reach. If it did, it would be binding up. So I had to figure out, because I'm in a bind and I'm on a time crunch, so I was trying to figure out how to do this. So I grabbed this guy from the old one, and basically what we're going to go ahead and do is, this is actually a lot more stronger than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it might snap when I was trying to do the install. This did take me a couple tries. I'm not perfect at this, so I just learned this right now, so I thought I might have helped you guys out on this. But if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if you can show me a better way how to do this, just to help out other people in the future. And then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos, and we'll go ahead and start this video after the intro. Alright, so obviously we're going to need some gloves, because the steam from the boiling water will be kind of burning your hands a little bit. So obviously we're going to need the hose itself. Make sure that it's fine cut. So I already cut this with the blade. It'll be fairly easy to cut, so you'll just kind of cut it like that, put it against the board, and make sure that you cut it and that it's flat as possible. You want to make sure there's no sharp edges, because you want this to be as fully seated as possible. Now I'm just only showing this as a test subject, so we'll go ahead and let this sit for about a couple seconds. So probably about a good like between 10 to 20 seconds. And you need to make sure that the water is at a boiling point. And as you're letting this heat up, what you need to do is you need to be very fast when you're putting this on. So the longer you wait, the more difficult it's going to be. So you need to grab with both hands, and then just kind of work its way in there. And we'll just keep pushing it right in. Now if you don't get it in all the way, what you can do is you can dip it right back in the water. You just want to dip in that small portion. We just want to and there you have it, seated in just like that. Now if there's any kinks on the line, what you can go do is we can put this back in the water. And it'll start softening right back up, and then you'll just squeeze that area. And then you'll just repeat this a couple times. We'll do it. So we'll just do it one more time. I think one more or two more times should be good. So just right here has a small indentation, but what you can do is you can blow out of it. So make sure you're not getting no restrictions on it. But I hope this video helps. Don't pull it out right now. Let it cool down. You can sit this back in the refrigerator so it speeds up the process of cooling down. But you need to, again, make sure that this seats right in all the way. Now if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below again if you have any questions on this, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.